It's day 3, FIFA World Cup 2026, 247 stories in 247 days. The man who scored 5 goals and vanished. This is day 3 of 247, uncovering the stories the world forgot in football. France, 1938. Ernest Wilimowski of Poland scores 4 against Brazil. One of the greatest individual performances ever. But then World War II erases his name. He played under 2 flags for 2 countries, and history buried his brilliance. No trophies, no celebrations, just silence. His story reminds us that even legends can fade, but their courage still echoes. Tomorrow, football returns after 12 years of war, and Brazil's hearts will be forever broken. 2025 World Cup, FIFA 26 edition. This is Stefan, Everything Sports AIN. A mental growth related. What's your favorite World Cup story? Drop your comments.